Hello and welcome back to the section 3, your first dashboard. In today's video, we will work on our next case study, unemployment rate. Now, what we'll be doing in this section is, we'll be looking at a very interesting data set, which is long-term unemployment rates in the US for the past couple of years. We'll be looking at trends and breaking them down by different categories. I definitely share all of my secrets with you in one of the upcoming tutorials, and by the end of it, you will know exactly how to work with Tableau on any project. You will find in this section a very important tutorial on granularity and aggregation, and I can say if you understand that concepts, you will be master in Tableau in no time. What you need to do is to understand how granularity works and how level of detail works in Tableau. We want to understand exactly what's going on behind the visuals that you are creating. This is the most important tutorial, and I urge you to pay attention when you are going through this one, because this is your foundation in Tableau. We will create by the end of this section a beautiful area chart. Today's question that we want to answer is, when are female in more danger of being unemployed and vice versa? We will see who has higher unemployment rate, man or female overall also. So what we need to do in this section, we need to make our first area chart. And second, we need to find out when are unemployment rate higher for female and vice versa, as I previously already said. So what we will learn today? In the first step, I will help you understand business problem. In the second step, I will show you how to connect dataset to Tableau 2019.1. And in the last step, I will challenge you to create and build your own first area chart.